So, welcome to James Metis Smart Farm. So, when you are buying a cow, which comes first in your thought, the cow or the milk? Many farmers buy a cow because of milk, and this is where farmers make mistakes. They buy a cow because of milk, and the seller will sell the cow in the name of milk. This cow produces a lot of milk. This cow will give you a lot of milk, but any cow can give you milk. Even a buffalo produces milk. It does not produce water. So, if you go and to the seller to buy a cow, the best thing to start with, or the one to come first, is the cow. And it is not just a cow, breed or genetic. Any cow, we said that it can produce milk. But if you have a good breed, it will produce a lot of milk. If you have a poor breed, it will not produce a lot of milk. So, when you are selecting a cow, don't select first milk. Go for the cow first, because the cow is the one which will determine the amount of liters it will produce. If you buy a poor breed, no milk. If you buy a good breed, then you will have a lot of milk. So, let us go for cow first. We have a good cow. That cow, then the milk will come number two, because the cow will produce milk. So milk will come number two. But if you go for milk first, then it will be a big mistake, and you will end up buying a cow which is not producing milk as you expected, because you bought a cow in the name of it produces a lot of milk. Go for a good breed, go for a good genetic that will transform your life, that will grow your farm, and that will produce a lot of milk in your farm. So, thank me later